the mica.
Oh
my god. That's beautiful. Is the camera seeing that? It's not, no.
Oh no. I could not be trusted to do this all the time.
Now, do you want to add a layer?
Yeah, sure.
Very thin layer, just like that, and then
Straight on.
apply.
Oh,
okay. That beautiful colour. So that's got
really
one layer of
nice.
encaustic on it. It's like a rose gold colour.
It's lovely, isn't it?
When you consider that's what we started with, this colour here is completely different. That's pre-post. These are bisque fired, so
Yes.
is this like the first time you fire
This is the first fire, and then this is usually when you glaze it.
What colours them?
Oxides, cobalt, copper, iron, a lot of iron. Don't have cadmium, manganese.
Yeah, so it definitely does pool at the bottom, doesn't it? I will grab a little pottery scraping tool and we'll take some of that stuff from the bottom. Yeah, we don't need all this, do we? This desk is actually big enough for two. It's quite good. You can come again.
Lovely. I plan to. Should we try some pink?
So basically, if you add the clear medium, you get glazes as opposed to quite opaque colours. That's quite thick.
Right. So that's gonna.
And obviously, if we move it, we'll get drips. Right, I'm going with the blowtorch now, so just as a warning, mind your hands. There you go. See, it's a lot quicker than the heat gun.
Right.
What you can do is you can overfuse, so
Right.
overheat, and it'll start to break.
Yeah, let's try. Ooh, that's cool.
So we'll let that settle.
That's lovely.
So there's hardly any wax, isn't there? So it's
Yeah.
all literally dripped off. So this one we'll do accretion on.
Okay.
So we'll build up the texture.
Yeah, yeah.
Should we try the outside as well?
Yeah, I think we need to learn how to do this with gravity.
Then pull the brush out, let it cool,
Yeah.
and then rub over it backwards and forwards. You start to build up
build
the
it up.
texture, and
Nice.
that's this kind of piece.
Visceral.
Yeah, feels quite. I mean, you could just do like, just a section in the middle or whatever.
Yes. Can't believe how hard it is.
I know, that's the Damar resin.
That's nice.
So let it cool a little bit on your brush.
Yeah.
We'll do this on the outside.
It feels a lot waxier than this.
Because it's warm
Not built-
still. It's
right,
not cured.
okay.
What happens at the end of it? You buff it. So when it's cooled down completely,
Yeah, yeah, it is. Yeah.
lint-free cloth, give it a really.
Good rub.
So if you go backwards and forwards, side to side, you start building up texture. Different directions. You want to kind of hear it almost scratching. And that's called accretion. Bisqueware accretion. When you fuse it, you want to give it what we call a little encaustic kiss. So just enough to make it glisten,
Just a little bit.
not enough to make it go smooth again. You see the texture you're getting?
It's gorgeous. Such fun. I'm having all the fun. That's wonderful. The texture.
It's just beautiful.
That works well. you go with a hotter wax over the top, will it just seep into the cracks more?
Yeah, and you'd get, it'll smush the stuff underneath,
Yeah.
kind of flatten it out a bit.
Melt it, yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. It doesn't look like Bisqueware anymore, does it?
No.
Do you call it Bisqueware or is it
Yeah,
Bisque?
Bisqueware.
Yeah, Bisqueware.
Either one.
So would you get that with anything else?
That type of texture?
Yeah.
We could achieve it with certain glazes, I would have thought.
With glazes,
Yeah,
so, and you can build it up. And would it look as good? Is it worth doing encaustic?
Yes, definitely.
It is.
You wouldn't be able to build it up like we have with that at all, no.
If you want to apply some pan pastel, I will fuse that for you.
Thank you.
And you can have a sponge as well.
This is nice, it's quite subtle, isn't it?
Yeah, you can go really thick. You can build it up in layers as a sponge.
Okay.
Once you add the heat to it, it fuses it straight into the wax.
Oh, nice.
So it doesn't go anywhere. So you can build it up in layers. The pan pastels are really heavily pigmented, so you can start off light and then you can go really heavy with them. So if you overfuse them, you can crack them. Applying pan pastels to this, for example, it will only stick to the sticky outy bits, so you get that really lovely kind of effect. Oil pigment stick on anything with texture.
Yeah.
It will just pick up, it'll go into the little nooks and crannies, yeah, and then obviously rub it off. I'm going to go in with the red and just watch how it hopefully will just...
Oh, wow.
But then you can rub quite a lot of it off.
Right.
And then we've got black, because I've noticed red and black together
That really does work.
really, really well.
You get a really nice distressed kind of... And then we could pick up the high bits again, couldn't we?
I like how it's smooth, some of it smooths out and some of it you pick it up. It's different when it's on smooth than when it's on rough, isn't it?
Yes, yeah. It tends to go a lot denser and more opaque when you're putting it on the rough.
The edges would be nice, maybe with black.
Yeah, let's do it.
Just like kind of...
Oh, yeah, definitely, yeah.
Just to highlight the edges. These are looking totally different than when they arrived.
This is working so well.
Really is, isn't it? I mean, considering we have no idea what we're doing, we're not thinking about the process or anything. We haven't come up with a colour scheme.
We're just playing.
We're just playing. Are you clapping like a small child?
Like a seal. And then you have to get a kiss.
A little encaustic kiss. Do you want me to crack it? Shall I try and crack that pastel?
Crack? Oh yeah.
Like make a crack effect? Already, you start to get little lines.
Oh wow, that's...
There we go, it's probably enough.
Oh, and I like the way that gold has come back through. Oh, and the pink.
And it will go cloudy to start off with until you buff it.
Right.
It goes milky, and then when you buff, it starts to become more transparent. And it goes more transparent over time as well. Bisqueware and encaustic. Who knew?
I love the way that when you look up close, you can see all the way. You fill in the lower sections and then wipe away to bring that back out on top. Does that work?
Yes, that would probably be with the oil pigment stick.
Oh, okay,
It
cool.
would go into the bits below, and then you could wipe it off the surface.
What are we using these with?
So you're going to rub them onto the pot.
Let's try some of the dark and rub it into the...
I don't know how it's going to work on the Bisqueware.
Yeah.
I know what it would do on encaustic. In fact, this is the equivalent, isn't it? So do you want to do the same on the board, and then we'll see how how easily it comes off or how easily it doesn't come off. Because you want it on the bottom bits, don't you, rather than on the top, to really rub it in, like get into all those. It's a lovely colour with the gold mixed together as well, which will help get the top top layer off.
That's
So
cool.
vegetable oil or baby oil. Then you just take off.
Right.
Can you see how that's coming off?
Yeah.
And then it gets to the point where when you use the baby oil, it will come off the surface completely and hopefully just stay in the nooks and crannies.
Oh, right. Yeah, that's working really well. Ah. That's really nice.
So you put RNF oil pigment stick on it. Hashtag RNF.
Should we fuse it?
Yep. So that's glistening, you can see.
Yes.
That's buff, that's
Oh,
enough.
wow, yeah. I do really love this one.
Buffing.
Have you got any like pearlescent pigment?
Pearlex.
Yes.
I have some Pearlex, you can rub that in as well.
I love them. If I put that
I'll wrap
one
them
in
for you.
there.
I've got glassine paper so they won't
Ooh,
stick.
that'd be good, thank you.